Chain slings are very strong. They are very tough. They are used for lifting applications. But when they are having some kind of defects, you have to be very much conscious. You have to replace them. So today in this video, we will be understanding in detail what are all the different types of defects that is possible in chain sling. First one is wear and tear. So over time, this metal would be rubbing against each other and they get thinner. So the chain would be obviously getting too worn down और उनको load carrying capacity भी कम हो जाएंगे. So आपको क्या करना चाहिए? When you are looking into these chains, you have to check them regularly, and if they are looking thinner, you have to replace the chain immediately. The next one is bent links. So we will understand what is this bent links all about. Check this image. So chains are meant to hold weight in straight line. You can see in this image. So if the link is bent, this means that chains has been overloaded or pulled in a wrong way. So you must always look this bent in the link. If you are seeing that, stop using that chain. Hinge. Check this diagram. How this is defective. Now if you can see this bent cracks or loose in the hooks or latches, you should never use this. Always check the hook before lifting. If they are damaged, you have to replace it at any cost. Stretches. Please see this image. A chain should never get stretched. So if you look into this image, if they look longer than usual, this means that चेन को ओवरलोड हुआ है. सो ओवरलोड होने से वो स्ट्रेच हो जाता है, परमानेंटली वो वीक हो जाता है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, अगर चेन स्ट्रेच हो गया है तो आपको वो रिप्लेस करना है, नया चेन को यूज करना है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. गोर्जस. प्लीज चेक दिस इमेज. अगर चेन में कट हो, डीप स्क्रैचेस हो या गोर्जस हो, यू हैव टू डेफिनेटली रिप्लेस इट. देयर इज नो डाउट ऑन दैट. इवन ए स्मॉल कट आपका चेन को वीक करेंगे, बिकॉज दिस हैज टू कैरी हेवी लोड. सो व्हेन देयर इज a deep scratch or cut or gorgeous, you have to replace it. You have to inspect whether these chains have any of these symptoms of cuts, deep, gorgeous or scratches. The next one is weld spatters. You would have find welding near the chain that happens in our workday site. So if there is a welding, the spark and molten metal can weaken the links. You should never use such chains. So what you have to do, you have to keep your welding area away from those chains, or you can use any heat resistant covers and all if you are working nearby. That is how you can protect your chain links, twisted links. So let us see how that works. Actually speaking, the chain should move freely, but अगर ट्विस्टेड हो जाए तो उसको मूवमेंट में प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है. सो दैट वुड वीकन द होल ऑफ द चेन स्लिंग. सो व्हाट यू शुड डू, यू शुड चेक दैट वेदर द चेन आर स्ट्रेट और नॉट, वेदर दैट इज टैंगल्ड. अगर वो ट्विस्टेड है, then you have to replace it as soon as possible. Next one is ill-eligible tag. So tag से क्या आपको मिलेंगे? Tag would be showing everything. आपको वो जो chain का weight कितना handle कर सकेंगे, that you will be getting every information about that chain sling you will be getting in the tag. लेकिन वो tag अगर missing हो, अगर that is ill-eligible हो, आपको read नहीं कर पाएंगे, then that chain is not safe at all. So what you have to do, if the tag is gone, then don't use that chain. Simple. Next one is homemade repairs or makeshift. This is very common in all the site. In some of the site, what people do is that they make jugaads. Jugaads means they make clamps, bolts and random hooks and all. This is actually not safe at all. This do-it-yourself fix is actually not suitable for lifting operations, because the main reason is that they are not certified for lifting. So you should never use that. The next one is damaged links. So if you are seeing any kind of damages like cracks or dents, ये एक वार्निंग साइन है. आप उस तरीके का कभी भी इस्तेमाल नहीं करना है, बिकॉज व्हेन देयर इज अ डैमेज, वो चेन वीक हो जाता है, एंड व्हेन इट इज वीक, इट कैन एवरी टाइम इट कैन ब्रेक व्हेन इट इज बीइंग लोडेड. सो यू शुड नेवर यूज दोज डैमेज्ड लिंक्स एंड यू हैव टू रिप्लेस दैट चेन. रिपेयर किया हुआ chains, very dangerous. So अगर आप welding joints or when you are using any kind of bolts to fix the chain, this might be a good idea, but it is not recommended for lifting operations, because that is not strong as it was originally. So you have to replace it at any cost. Never fix it. Please replace it and use the new one. So in this video you have understood all the damages, the types of damages that is usually occurring for a chain sling. So with this knowledge, you can easily replace or you can easily identify what is correct to be used and what has to be replaced. So use this knowledge, share with your friends, gain maximum technical knowledge, subscribe to our channel, and we will see with the next video. Thank you.